everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be showing you different textures of our raw Indian curly, wavy and straight sleek straight hair textures. I will be talking about these textures. I will also give you the density and the luster of the hair we provide on our website. So when you go to our website www.therawvirginhairboutique.com, you will purchase or a wig, raw hair bundles or whatever you want, closures, whatever. We also offer hair dyeing services. This is the package our hair comes in. It has our name, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, luxurious raw hair extensions and wigs and raw hair delivery. Inside the box, when you open it, it has got our Facebook, Instagram and website, plus you will get these two pamphlets, and this is how we tell our clients and give our clients what we offer: hair coloring services, raw hair models, lace systems, and you will get a coupon code on there, as well as if you want to contact us, what the website, and also about the hair, how often you need to wash your hair, and about the company, and also our email address if you are looking for it. We always give our clients gift. It's either you get our loose powder or our 3D mink lashes and our matte lipsticks. Yep, you do get gifts when you purchase from us. Today's video, I'm just gonna go straight to the point, talking about raw Indian hair textures. This is our raw Indian wavy hair texture. As you can see, this hair is beautiful and shiny. Our raw Indian hair texture has a medium to high luster, meaning it has a shine, consistency of the shine, it's on the higher side. If you're looking for medium to low luster, which means a bit of coarse and a bit of shine, thick way out Vietnamese or Cambodian or Laotian, but with the raw Indian wavy hair textures, you will get a medium to high luster. I don't know if you viewers can see the shine in this hair, but this hair is beautiful and shiny. So this is one bundle, and when you get our bundle, I just want to go through. Each bundle weighs 100 grams. Each bundle weighs 100 grams, and you will need minimum 3 to 4 bundles for a full head. 3 to bundles. Each bundle weighs 100 grams, which is 3.5 to 4 ounces. 100 grams, which is equivalent to 3.5 to 4 ounces. If you are ordering hairs from 12 inches to 20 inches on our site, you will need minimum 3 bundles with a closure or a frontal. But if you like your hair full, you can go ahead and order 4 or 5 bundles. But 3 bundles would definitely give you a full head if you order the length between 12 to 20 inches. And if you order from 20 and above, 22 and above to 30 inches, you would definitely need 4 bundles for that, so that your hair can be at least look full and voluminous, like giving you that natural effect. But if you like your wigs or hair extremely full, you can go for 4 to 5 bundles. Okay, when we get to 30 inches and above, like 30 inches, you will need the minimum 4 to 5 bundles, because some people order like 32 inches, 34 inches, 36, 38, 40 inches. If you like your hair looking nice and full, you need at least 4 to 5 bundles, 4.5 to 5 bundles on those lengths. So viewers, once you wash this hair becomes much fuller. Once you wash and condition this hair, it becomes much fuller. So that is again how raw hair looks. So do not be deceived that is this bundle going to be enough. It will be more than enough. And before we ship all our bundles, we do wash and condition it. So this is our raw curly hair texture. This is our raw Indian curly hair texture, and this is how our raw Indian curly hair texture looks. And this is in the length 24 inches, and this curly hair texture I must admit is beautiful, luscious curls. It's 100% natural curly. Our raw hair textures has not been chemically or steamed processed. It's 100% natural curly hair texture. We do not offer that ringlet tight curls because there is no raw hair that offers that kind of kinky tight curls. So when you come on our website, you will get different types of curly patterns, and this is our raw Indian curly hair pattern. once you wash and you use your diamond brush to define your curls, it will give you a very nice, beautiful, defined curly hair texture or pattern. So this is our raw Indian curly hair texture. I repeat, this is how beautiful it is. And last but not the least, I will be showing you our raw Indian sleek straight hair texture. This hair is beautiful. Viewers, can you see the luster? Well, I can. Can you see the luster in this hair? Like, wow. Can you see the beautiful luster? This hair does not tangle. This hair is 100% tangle free. When you order from our website, I can guarantee you all our bundles are 100% tangle free. But let's just take a look at this hair again. Have you seen the luster? Guys, have you seen the luster? Have you seen the shine? Yes. When I talk about medium to high luster, that is the shine I'm talking about. Meaning the hair is more on the silky side. So if you're the type of customer or person that prefers their hair to be on the silky side, I recommend our raw Indian hair textures, which is 100% authentic raw hair cut from Indian, the donor person's head, and basically made into weft. So once again, this is our raw Indian hair texture. It has a medium to high luster. Have you seen the shine? Whew. This is what we call raw hair. So viewers, I have a 20% coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Ativo20, for 20% off your entire purchase if you do purchase from our website. And also, I will be showing you viewers on the side how our wefts are made. So the first video I will be showing is basically when the hair, the raw Indian hair texture has been chemically processed, because some of our clients want the hair dyed into a color 4. So this video I will be showing on the side whilst I'm talking a color 4, and you will see how our manufacturers are basically wefting the hair and removing the excess hair, unwanted excess hair from the strands or from the hair. And also the next video I'll be showing you how we make our straight wefts, how wefts are made. Our wefts are made into double weft. So viewers, you all saw the video I just showed you. So last but not the least, this is another curly hair texture that I wanted to show you, and this curly hair texture is slightly tighter than the curly hair I've got with me, and it is a shorter bundle, and it's about 3 to 4 bundles held together to show an outside, so you viewers can see how loose and beautiful and shiny this curly hair is looking. Yes, this curly hair is absolutely amazing, and this is another curly hair texture we offer in our Indian range, and it's also on the website. So viewers, please do not hesitate to check out the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. And also I wanted to talk about this C virus thing going on. We all know what is happening right now. Do not worry, we are still shipping worldwide, we're still posting. The only problem is the shipping might take a few days longer because most countries have closed their borders. But do not worry or hesitate. If you place an order with us, your order, it's definitely coming. We still providing all the services on our websites regardless. We are working from the house. We are taking all the precautions, and to all our customers, the new, and to everyone watching this video, I'd like you viewers to be very, very cautious where you go. Stay at home. Order online services only. Avoid going to public places. And yes, the coronavirus is not affecting our business. We are still intact. As you can see, I'm recording today. I want to tell my clients and show you new textures of our raw Indian hair. We are ordering. If you are interested in custom made wigs, check out our website. Go on the wig section. We do offer hair dye services as well, as I initially stated. So check out our website, and I'll see viewers in the next video. Do not forget to use our discount code as I initially stated, which is my name, Ativo20, for 20% off your entire purchase.